everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. I literally just filmed a video sitting in this exact spot in this exact outfit, and normally I would change, but I am 7 months pregnant and tired, so I'm not doing that, sorry. So today I wanted to film a video, and I guess we're calling this what I've learned about fashion as a YouTuber. This was actually recommended by somebody on my Instagram, and I forgot to screenshot their username, so I'm so sorry, but if it's you, comment down below. Thank you for this idea. I thought this would just be fun. We can sit down and chat a little bit. Fashion and YouTube and social media and that everything's fake. I especially feel all these things right now because it's New York Fashion Week and I am not there. I went to New York Fashion Week in February, not really for New York Fashion Week. I was just kind of there and ended up going to some events with Adrian or Adriama because she's just super nice and brought me along. It was weird. The events, not Adrian. Adrian is literally like my best friend now. We text all the time. I love her. But the events were weird. And just like the whole atmosphere of like influencers and fashion and stuff like that. It was weird and it made me like question everything I'm doing. And I just remember how sad I felt, and now my excuse for not being there is that I'm pregnant, but I probably will never step foot back there unless, I don't know, unless something really crazy happened. Okay, let's just get into it. So the first thing I've learned about fashion since becoming a YouTuber is the less you shop, the better style you have. I especially feel this because back when I was getting, you know, a bunch of clothes for hauls and YouTube and stuff like that, and I just wasn't being super mindful about who I was working with and what I was saying yes to in regards to PR or sponsorships. I had more clothes than ever, and I think my style was worse than ever. Now that I really don't get clothes for free, I purchase all my clothes with my own money. Also thinking about just what I want to share with you guys, because I'm gonna be honest, I use like Google search for like clothes I want sometimes, and I'll just search like exactly the piece I want for Google. So say I wanted these gingham pants, I would search straight leg gingham pants on Google, and the way something from like Shein always pops up, and I am so tempted to buy them from Shein. The little voice in the back of my head saying like, you're gonna wear these in a video and you're gonna have to tell everybody they're from Shein. Like, I don't want to do that. That I'll end up taking the time and finding a pair from the thrift store and being really proud and almost attached to them because I know how long it took me to find them. Speaking of which, these are from the thrift store. Those pieces end up staying in my closet way longer. I'll try to find more ways to style them, and it's always the people on the internet. I think of like Best Dress, like when she used to do her 50 outfits, you knew half her closet. You knew that floral dress she had. You knew those denim jeans, and she styled them so many different ways because she was fashionable. She had a sense of style. And these girlies that are getting, you know, loads and loads of new clothes every week, it takes no talent to put new outfits together with new clothes, but to look at your old clothes and reimagine them in different ways, thumbs up. Next thing, if you're late to a trend, it's not worth buying it. And I know that sounds like really mean. I guess what I mean by this is I've talked about this in like some older videos. If you don't like a trend the first time you saw it, or you know, just a piece of clothing, the first time you saw it is your personal style, and that's the truest form you can get at. Let's think of like the Boston clogs. If you are hemming and hawing right now about the Boston clogs, you don't want them. Don't get them. They are flooding like TikTok and Instagram right now. Everyone has the Boston clogs, and people were wearing them last summer because I got them last summer, and I know I wasn't the first person to start wearing them. So if you didn't see them last summer and knew you wanted them, now you're just getting influenced. It's nothing about your style. You probably won't wear them or just like love them the way that you would if it was true to you. Also with that, now that everybody has a voice on the internet, including me, it's so easy to hear somebody say now, you know, Boston clogs aren't cool anymore. Like, they're so last season. And if you don't genuinely, truly love them with your whole heart, you're gonna be embarrassed to wear them or think about it the next time you put them on and be like, am I just like late to this trend and are people gonna judge me? But if you love your Boston clogs so much, you got them the first time you saw them, you're not gonna care what somebody else says. I hope that makes sense. My brain doesn't work when I'm pregnant. Next thing I said is no one wears 50 outfits in one season. And kind of what made me think of this is when I filmed those like 50 outfits videos, I am not joking. I probably wear 10 of those outfits. Do not wear a majority of them because I don't go and do things very often. And probably like in a season, maybe like 20 times I go out and actually do something and dress up. So, and I'm an outfit repeater. I will wear those 10 outfits 30 times. Like, it doesn't matter to me. If you're watching someone do like the 50 outfits video, that you need to get that many outfits out of your wardrobe, it's not normal. I don't even like all 50 outfits when I do those, but I'm like, yeah, somebody will like at least like 10 of these. That's why I do it. Yeah, you don't need 50 outfits ever for any season. Next thing I've realized since being a fashion YouTuber is that nothing is timeless. I've been talking about this in a few different videos, but I've called so many things timeless in old videos, and looking back at it now, I'm like, you're stupid and you just really liked it. And maybe to me it's timeless, but definitely not to like the fashion world, or even to other people. And so I think things can be timeless to you as an individual. Saying something's timeless in a broader sense of everything is just... The next thing is that real people don't wear real designer. Sometimes following a lot of influencers and fashion people who have so much designer, I'm like, oh my god, like that's normal. Like everybody has 3 Chanel bags and 8 Gucci bags and 14 pairs of YSL sunglasses. Unless you're super into fashion, it's just like not the case at all. And that's not saying that I don't own anything designer, but everything designer I own is thrifted. And that seems a little bit more normal, but don't let influencers and social media people and fashion people let you believe that having all that designer is normal or something that everyone can afford and obtain. And the last thing is that dressing out of your comfort zone is a scam. I tried doing this again a little bit earlier in my YouTube career because I thought that I wasn't dressing crazy enough, and it didn't work for me to be a fashion YouTuber and not dress out there. I do dress out there, but it doesn't feel out there because it's in my comfort zone, because it's so personal to me and I love it. Dressing out of your comfort zone is just wearing clothes you don't like and that you think you should be wearing. Whether that's something that's too tight, too revealing, you know, too loud of a print, uncomfortable, your heels are too high, whatever. Dressing in your comfort zone is the best thing you can ever do, and it's the most confident you will ever feel. Even if every day it is sweatpants and a hoodie, why would you want to be anyone but yourself? That's the best version of you. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'd love to hear your takes in the comments down below. I'm getting hungry and I'm gonna go get Taco Bell. I love you so much, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.
I don't know what it is that you've done to me, but it's caused me to act